welcome back to another banger video, man. Hey, first of all, we got the 20,000 subscribers, y'all. We got the 20,000 subscribers, man. I'm on the freeway mobbing, man. And there's this dope-ass Benz, wide-body Benz that's on this side on my left. I'm trying to go get it for y'all, man, but we hit 20K, man. Fuck, man, that's crazy. That's 20,000 people. That's like a full stadium of people. And me just right in the center of the field. That's fucking great, man. This shit nice. Look at this. Ooh, boy, that thing is nice. That is. Oh, that's the motherfucking. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I got y'all. I got y'all. This shit's cold. Damn. Ain't gonna lie, man. That shit is sexy. Wide body, boy. Ooh, yeah, boy. Look at my car. Yeah, look at my car. That shit nice. Damn, that shit is nice as fuck. Oh my god, hold on. I have to get this on a gram real quick. Hold on. Now he get behind me. Damn, that's a carbon fiber hood too. But yeah, man, we hit 20K subscribers, man. That is fucking crazy. So like I told y'all, man. God damn, that boy's moving. He is. Oh, I need that car, man. I told you I need that C63 SMG, boy. That thing is. Hey, man. If he's watching, if he watched my channel, hey man, yo Benz, oh my god, boy, that I'm really hoping y'all heard that. My windows were all up and everything, and I think it just hauled ass past me. Oh, ain't gonna lie, man, that's like I ain't gonna lie. So that's like how I felt when I was like truly in love with Hellcats. When I see the Hellcat some shit, and then they just like rev it or they just fucking drive by. That's how I felt. But now that I'm in love with the C63 SMGs, oh my fucking god! Every time I see one, it's usually old people or Asians that drive slow. I'm not racist, but yeah, that's pretty much only people who have Benzes. Old people, or older people, or like Asians that drive slow. So whenever I see somebody with one that actually has one like built and they actually be hauling that, hey, but I'm telling you, that'd be crazy. That'd be crazy, man. It's actually hard trying to come up with actually content to do every day for y'all to keep y'all entertained and keep y'all in the loop with me. So that's actually pretty hard because I'm not like, yeah, I'm trying to like stick it in the realm of cars, but I'm not around cars every fucking day or doing things to a car every day. So it's like, what can I do to? And I don't do pranks, so it's like, goddamn. All right, y'all, just got out the gym, man. They good sweat, man. Y'all a cold start. In the gym every day, y'all. In the gym every day. Me and Slim be in that thing every day, man. But yeah, think I'm capped, man. Go follow me on Instagram, yo, and you will see I'm in the gym every day, or sometimes even twice a day, man, with Slim. Boy, I'm telling you, when that wedding come, man, hey, any ladies out there, man, hey, man, all the dudes, watch your girl, man. Watch your girl, goddamn. I want to buy a Lambo. Damn, boy, I ain't gonna lie, shit outside their car is crazy. All right, y'all, so it's a whole new day, man. I ain't gonna lie, yesterday I ain't do shit, but today the Dodgers just lost against the Padres, so yeah. But I'm on the way to buy a new drone, man. If you guys haven't seen the new DJI, the FPV drone, I've been dying to get that ever since it came out like a few months ago, so that's what I'm about to do. That's what I'm about to do right now, man. So I'm back in the car. I'm 3 minutes away. I told the people I'll be there in 20 minutes. That was like half an hour ago. They closed at 5. And that's like in 3 minutes. Yeah. So I'm gonna try and get there right before they close. So the dude said he'll have the drone all ready for me. So the only thing I do is get there, show him my ID and credit card, and that drone is mine, boy. So when I get inside the store, I'm gonna flip the camera back on. Oh shit, hold on, damn.
And now, whatever you need next time, and if you don't want to make that drive, just give me a call. My name is Tony.
Yeah.
I'll do the shipping for you too.
Oh, perfect. Appreciate it.
No problem, boss.
Yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this thing. Yeah.
And if you want, you could follow us on Instagram. Like, no. We do have a page on Instagram too.
I got you. I was over here looking at the.
And we do have
the
two
lenses.
locations. We do have locations here, and we do have location in Anaheim too.
Oh, which one's closer? To LA.
Both are the same thing.
Okay.
They're not that far.
All right, perfect. Dang. Another drone. Now, hopefully, the police don't take this one. I'm hoping the police don't take this one. Oh, dang. And yeah. I've been looking to find this drone forever. Hey, y'all don't know how happy I am right now because, man, I dropped the bag, though. But, man, hey. They always say, man, it costs to be the boss, man, and it is a fact. It do cost to be a boss, man. But I got exactly what I wanted, man. So I bought the Fly More kit and everything. So I got extra batteries, the drone, the goggles, the remote. They got everything you want, man. So I'm about to put a slight little montage on the screen of what you should expect from my new vlogs, man. Stay tuned for my new vlogs for this type of content, man. Oh, I'm so fucking excited, man. Hey, I feel like a kid on Christmas right now, even though I literally only buy my own Christmas gifts, man. I can't wait, man. I'm gonna give myself 2 days until I take it out. So today I'm gonna go home, and then I'm going to obviously go set up everything, update everything, and then I'm going to do the virtual training before I actually take it out. Even though that insurance is a lot, man. But with these drones, you gotta have them insurance, man. You gotta have that insurance when trying to do that, man. But yeah, I'm finna go back home right now, man. I got the drone I wanted, man. Man, when you have a business, you gotta invest in your business. And this drone will definitely help out my business. All right, y'all, just got back to the crib. I have my computer over there, but to go more in depth on what I purchased, I bought the DJI, the Fly More kit pretty much. So it comes with 2 extra batteries and then the little thingy, I don't know what to call that. And then, this right here is a bag. This right here is a bag I dropped, so don't mind that. And this is the bad boy. So it comes with the drone, all the accessories, obviously, the remote controller, the goggles, and a battery. So now I have 3 batteries total, the drone, controller, goggles, all the cables you need, man. I can't wait to use this, man. So I'm finna go set this up. I'm finna unbox it. All right, y'all. The moment of truth, y'all. Ooh, it is sexy, boy. The goggles right here. These goggles are sturdy, though. These is definitely some quality goggles, man. Then you got the drone itself. The drone is super small, something you would definitely expect from, but it got some weight to it though, so it's definitely something you would expect from DJI. Propellers right here, this is B, that's A. Got the control. This controller feels so much better than the other controllers that they had. Feels so much better, man. You got all the cables, man. So that's pretty much all what's inside the box, and you got the 2 extra batteries, so pretty much 3 batteries there on that, man. I can't wait to freaking use this, man. So I'm finna go set all this up, charge everything, and then I'll holler at y'all later. Next day and final day of this video, because now I get to actually test out the drone. So I was at home all last night flying the virtual thing, but that's like I don't think that's enough because it's not the real thing. So I am here at the Dodge Kid Lee whatever park, the Dodger Lee park. and it's a park all around. So I thought that this would be like the perfect spot, especially over here, because it's all open field to go test out the drone. And that's what I highly recommend somebody do. If it's their first time like flying a drone in general, just go to like an open park or anything open where there's no power lines, not a whole lot of trees, even though there's a lot of trees here. But it's different because it's an FPV drone. So I'm about to go try and attempt to go fly it out. So now I have a whole other bag just for this damn FPV drone. So let's give y'all a little look. But FYI, I'm definitely buying another like camera bag for the 2 drones I have. Anyway, so I don't want to hear anybody in the comments saying you gotta buy anything. So I have, if I get out, I got the goggles right here. It's the goggles. And I found out the goggles need to be powered by this thing, so that stays in my pocket the whole time. That's just for the goggles. And yeah, I definitely need a damn bag. Damn. I got the controller, the propellers right there, the drone itself. So we got these 2 things right here. So let's go put these on right now. Boom, it's on. So I'm about to switch to the drone right now.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. You already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.
Y'all, when I put that bitch in sport mode, oh my god, bro, that opens up a whole new realm of fun. So now I'm like, so I'm used to I'm used to flying like regular Mavic type drones and stuff like that, Phantoms. But this FPV, I'm not gonna lie, that makes flying FPV a whole lot easier and more fun, because a traditional FPV drone is only only manual, so you got to control everything by yourself. So when I say the brand new DJI FPV drone makes everything so much easier and fun for a first time FPV flyer like such as myself, man, makes it so much fun, man. So I'm about to go Damn, man. That really makes flying FPV like so much fun, y'all. I don't know. It's hard to explain, man. Like you guys would just have to like either rent one out or buy one to see for yourself, because it's like I picked it up, but then one battery. So I have 3 batteries, but I ran through the 1 battery, and now I'm very, very comfortable flying it now. That is, man, that's super crazy, man. So, whew, I'm telling you, man, that right there, man. Look, prepare for some super fun content with this drone, man. Especially with some cars. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness. So, you guys seen where I lost the signal because I went pretty far. I went like by the freeway. So you guys have seen where I lost the signal, and then in the goggles where the goggles went completely black. I'm not sure if you guys can see it yet, but the goggles went completely black. I got scared of shitless, but with all the technology within the whole drone, the transmission system itself, it safely returned itself back closer to me, and I picked up the signal again as if nothing happened. Crazy, man. So I'm about to have a lot of fun with the drone, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's 9:30 in the morning. Been out for about an hour, and I'm about to have a lot of fun with that bad boy, man.
I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have nothing, baby. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't leave my home. Before I die, I'm tryna fuck you, baby.